Want to send HD photos on Instagram without losing quality? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to send HD photos in Instagram without losing quality. So, let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to the DM section from the bottom of the mobile and tap on the chat icon. Next, open the chat of the person you want to send the photo to. After that, tap on the gallery icon next to the message box at the bottom of the screen. This will open your phone's gallery. Now simply select the photo you want to send. Before sending the image, look at the top right corner and tap on the HD option. Once you enable it, Instagram will send the photo in high quality instead of compressed quality. Now, tap on the send button. And done. Your photo has now been sent in HD quality on Instagram. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.